guys, welcome back to today's video. This is a healthy snack for bigger booty. Yup, you want those bigger booty? This is a good snack for you to actually get in enough nutrients to grow your booty while you're still enjoying and getting that sweetness from your meal. This is so delicious and you really don't need so much. We're making this with 7 ingredients. Some are not needed and not necessary for you, and I'm going to highlight the ones that are not necessary and the ones that are very necessary. So the ingredient we're using here is oatmeal, eggs, and we need banana. Then you have milk. I have pepper here. The pepper is not a necessity, it's my preference because I'm a Nigerian. We don't eat our food without pepper in it. And then I also have ginger. Ginger is a flavor I love a lot. You also have cinnamon and baking powder. The cinnamon is optional for you. If you don't have cinnamon, just skip it. Pepper, skip it. Baking powder, skip it. You can still make your protein pancake with just your egg, but to allow it to cake a lot more, you need the baking powder. So that's what we're basically using for this pancake. So we have 6 eggs here, and we're going to use 3 egg whites, and the other ones is the full eggs. And we're taking like half a cup of oatmeal, and then you have 2 banana, and I don't even know the proportion of the milk I used here. I think it was maybe half a cup of milk as well. And basically you want to put all this whole thing in a blender or a food processor, and you want to crush it and blend it to a smooth, thick, not very thick, but thick paste. And then you want to start frying. Okay, so you get your fry pan and add a little oil to the pan, circulate it all over in the pan, and then allow the pan to heat. And you want to pour in a little bit of the pancake on that pan. You let it sit there a few seconds. Then the side of the pancake will start to bubble a little bit. That's when you know it's ready for you to turn the pancake over and fry or bake the other side as well. So that's basically how to make this pancake. This is tasty and it's good for your booty. Healthy snack for growing those booty muscle. And if you like to snack a lot, then do this. Eat this instead of going to buy different things that I don't know that will hurt you, make you gain fat, and gain it on the wrong places. They're not good calories. So guys, this is where we're cutting it. That's basically what it takes to make this pancake. Well, try it out and tell me what you think. If you have any question, leave in the comment section. Be sure to like and share this video and subscribe if you're new here on the channel. I give you health tips that helps you grow your booty and develop those backside. That's how we end it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.